breaking update right now coming in. We have the name of who is going to be the next Chief Minister of Odisha. The name is Mohan Manji, who will be now taking oath tomorrow as the Chief Minister of Odisha, is the latest that is breaking. Do remember again, the state will be seeing that important oath-taking ceremony that just happens tomorrow. He's all of 52 years. He's been with the BJP and he now has been named as the next Chief Minister of the state of Odisha. The Prime Minister, remember, will be in the state tomorrow. He was earlier elected in the 2019 Odisha Legislative Assembly here as a member of the BJP. He's represented the Keonjhar constituency twice during the years 2000 to 2009. So that, remember, is his Vidhan Sabha constituency. And he is actually an agriculturist. He is also said to be enjoying a lot of support of the other elected legislators right now. And that is why the big announcement has come in that he is all set to be the next Chief Minister of Odisha. Earlier in the day, we do know that both Rajnath Singh, Bhupendra Yadav have been in Bhubaneswar speaking to a lot of party colleagues there, trying to figure out that who is that one Neta that possibly can be decided and named as the next Chief Minister of Odisha. So Mohan Manji is the name. He's going to be the next Odisha Chief Minister that we are learning. Now, earlier you would also recall that there has been a lot of buzz about both Dharmendra Pradhan and Jewel Oram, who possibly could be decided for that big post. But ever since you've seen their movement to the cabinet, everything boiled down to selecting a local face. Now, Mohan Manji is that name, and we have now been told officially that he's going to be taking oath tomorrow. The Prime Minister will also be there in attendance. And Keonjhar, remember, is an assembly constituency in Odisha that is essentially located on the east region of India. And this is from where he has won the mandate. I think we also have a response that's just coming in from Rajnath Singh.
घोषित किया है और जो इनसे बातचीत करने के बाद मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा कि बेहतर यह होगा कि श्री उप मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में श्री केवी सिंहदेव जी और श्रीमती प्रभाती परिडा, इनके नाम की भी यही घोषणा कर दी जाए। तो मुख्यमंत्री जी की सहमति से इन नामों की भी घोषणा की है। आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
All right, so the BJP there announcing the Chief Minister of Odisha, also two deputies. We'll get you more details on that big story on the other side of this quick break. Don't go anywhere.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.